For the majority of our customers, selecting a kitchen countertop that will work for the whole family is one of the most important decisions they'll make for their new home or remodel project. Marble is an incredibly popular product, but will it work for you and your family? I'm Chad Raymond with Arizona Tile, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about using marble in your home. First, it's important to note that marble is formed by nature over millions of years. Therefore, no two marble slabs are alike. Marble varies in appearance within the same color from piece to piece and lot to lot depending on where and when it was quarried. The most popular color option for marble is typically the classic white with gray veining, but it's also available in a range of warm, rich hues including taupe, blue, brown, gray, and black. The veining in marble can be intense and dramatic or soft and muted depending on the stone and the region it's quarried. Natural stone products, including marble, are mined in blocks and cut into slabs, which are then fabricated locally based on the needs of your project. The increase in popularity of white marble is partly due to a better understanding of the stone, the beauty of it, and the reality of caring for it. If you're looking for a durable, elegant countertop that will last a long time with proper maintenance, marble is an excellent choice. Marble is a softer stone than granite or quartzite and may be more susceptible to scratching or abrasion. Marble is also chemically sensitive to acid, which can leave behind dull etch marks if not properly cleaned. That said, marble is still a durable natural stone and has long been used in projects that have stood the test of time, including statues, Capitol buildings, the Lincoln Memorial, and Arlington National Cemetery. As with all natural stones, it's important to maintain a proper seal. Using a quality sealer will penetrate the stone, allow it to breathe, and permit more of the stone's natural beauty to shine through. Unsealed stone is more susceptible to absorbing moisture, dirt, and cleaning chemicals. Therefore, it is recommended that a sealer be applied soon after installation and the stone be resealed as needed. You may also choose to have your marble professionally buffed or polished periodically, or you may wish to leave any marks to add to the stone's natural patina. Often, your installation team will seal your countertops for you after they've been installed, but make sure to check with them to confirm. If not, you can hire someone to seal the slabs for you or seal them yourself. Sealing natural stone is an easy do-it-yourself project, and all you need to do is follow the directions on the bottle. A member of our team can help you select the best sealing product for your material. As long as your marble has been properly sealed, it is simple to care for and maintain. Keep your stone looking its best by wiping it off prior to cleaning it with a pH-neutral cleaner or warm water. Cleaning up spills quickly will minimize any beauty marks caused by usage. While maintaining a proper seal on the stone will help minimize beauty marks, it will not account for etching and scratching. Therefore, it is also recommended to use mats or coasters to reduce any etching or scratching of the stone. Another benefit of marble is its heat resistance. Marble is one of the most heat-resistant products for countertops. However, it can be damaged by extreme direct heat exposure. So hot items such as pots and pans should not be placed directly on natural stones. As a safety precaution, use coasters or trivets on countertop areas. Most kitchen installations will require a seam in your countertops, regardless of the material you select. In most installations, seams may be visible and can typically be felt. Depending on the color, some marble seams will be less visible than others. Depending on where your seam will land, another consideration when selecting your slabs is to select slabs that are in sequence, meaning they came from the same bundle and were basically next to each other when cut and therefore are book-matched. Book-matched slabs create a mirror image of each other, allowing for a consistent flow in pattern from slab to slab. This can be particularly helpful and visually striking when the slabs you select have a distinct vein pattern. Marble is an exquisite stone that embodies the beauty of nature. With its beautiful veining and patterns, it is sure to capture attention in any application. If you feel like this maintenance routine will fit into your daily habits and lifestyle, then marble could be a great option for you. If you're still not sure, take a look at the other countertop material videos linked in the description below to see if there's another option that would be a better fit. Thanks for spending time with me today in our showroom, and be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest for inspirations for your next project. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below so you don't miss any updates from Arizona Tile.